Okay, so a lot of you probably saw the flamethrower video and a lot of you wanted to see more of it. So I have gone through and compiled pretty much everything about this flamethrower I can find. This includes people using it, how it came about, everything. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this. So it all started obviously a long time ago, the Spaceballs reference.
Merchandising, where the real money from the movie is made. Spaceballs, the flamethrower. The kids love this one.
So obviously you can see a lot of Elon's stuff actually comes from Spaceballs or other movies. It's pretty funny stuff. So he talked about it after, like he said, once the hats were sold out, next thing would be a Boring Company flamethrower, and a lot of people were like, oh, that's funny, ha ha ha. I admit I was one of them. I didn't really think you could own one. And so we saw a couple things floating around, and then finally on January 9th, DA, who is a musician, posted this to his Instagram. And I'm gonna have to bleep this. Sorry.
I told y'all I wasn't gonna.
So he posted that to his Instagram, and we saw a few other things floating around. It was actually turned out someone found the password for the actual website. Then it was quickly changed, but back then it was $600 for the flamethrower. Now it's only $500. So hey, we kind of got a deal. But then Elon Musk posted a couple of videos on his Instagram account, and one first picture obviously being this, saying say hello to my little friend. Then he went ahead and posted this. Which, looking at that, those flames are pretty big. And then he went ahead and posted this, chasing a cameraman, which I wouldn't advise you to do. Obviously laughing and having a great time. He posted some stuff, and then we have Kimball, which is Elon's brother, posting a picture with this. But this one looks different. This one has actually no writing on the actual flamethrower itself, but like a little thing on top of it saying the Boring Company. Said he was product testing, and all this was within like the last day. And then Kimball's wife posted this saying flamethrower is not just a boy's toy and great to bake a cake with. Obviously they're having some fun, and you can see someone in the background actually with the same one that looks like what she has, with the Boring Company tag on top rather than on the actual side of it. And the one Elon was playing around with had that same thing, but the one DA had like the logo thing on the side of it. And then even Elon's mom got in the fun of it. She didn't Instagram this, she tweeted it and said, "What are you doing today? Flamethrower." That's pretty cool. I don't know, Mom, if you're watching this, when I get this, you gotta come play with this too. So on the Boring Company's website, click on flamethrower. You can see the logo's different, so maybe they revamped it a little bit, but it's still there. $500 to pre-order, $30 to pre-order the fire extinguisher. Last I saw, Elon said 4,000 out of the 20,000 were already sold, and that was yesterday, so I bought one. Obviously, you probably saw yesterday's video. So definitely, if you bought one, put it down in the comment section below. Always curious to know who's buying them. And let me know if you bought the fire extinguisher too, or if you were supplying your own. Please at least get one. But yeah, I have some really fun things planned for mine, so hopefully when I get it in, there'll be a slew of videos, and maybe even a flamethrower challenge. More on that yet to come. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and leave this out with some videos playing so you guys can actually see what it looks like. You can see the different flame sizes they've had. So I'm pretty sure you'll be able to adjust that. I don't know. I guess we'll get some more information as time goes by. But I'll go ahead and leave you with that. But definitely thumbs up the video. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.
I told y'all I wasn't gonna. I told y'all I wasn't gonna.